Hello everybody, my name is Will Adams. I'm from Raleigh, North Carolina, and today is June 5th, 2019. I am a big fisher and hunter, and I like to go on runs too when I get a chance. I have one sister, and then a mother and father. And my current occupation is a pharmacy technician at Sam's Club. I've been working there for about 2 years, trying to gain experience. And I was a full-time student until I graduated from the University of North Carolina at Wilmington, and that was in the spring of 2018 when I graduated, so I've been out for about a year now. The reason I'm taking this course is I hope to get to pharmacy school. I have been accepted into the Auburn's Harrison School of Pharmacy program, so I am finishing up the prerequisites over the summer before I start in the fall. I look forward to learning a lot in this class and look forward to meeting everybody. Have a nice day.